All right, so this is a tibialis, quad, and hip flexor stretch. For some people, just sitting back on their heels is a big enough stretch for them. But as you get comfortable, you want to try to lay back. Now, this could be your couch at home, using the armrest or the couch cushion to just rest on and try to open up the hip flexors as well as the quad and tibialis. You're going to pause in this position for desired time period, anywhere from 30 seconds to upwards of 2 minutes. Depending on how high you have the boxes, you can work your way down to lower and lower depths. Higher and higher the box, the less and less stretch you may have, and you can put your arms overhead to try to open up the chest and the armpit area a little bit more too. But again, over time, we want to try to work our way down towards the floor. The way to do this on the floor is to have your arms out wide, and you'll just kind of lightly walk your hands out away from each other and lean further and further back until your chest feels like it's up towards the ceiling. Some people can go all the way down to the floor without having to hand their hands as support, but this is your way of working down there. Hold for a desired length of time. I don't want you squirming around, so if it's too aggressive, you need to back up out of it, and there should never be any type of pain with it. Just muscular tension, a comfortable stretch that challenges you but is not uncomfortable. Some people prefer to go into this out of one leg. You can alternate between one leg or two legs. You can keep the leg straight or have the leg bent. Just whatever's more comfortable, keep it there. And then the easiest version for a lot of people is just oftentimes using a bench and increasing the incline of the bench for support. So we really don't have to lean back very far here. You can put a pad underneath the knees and just put the shoulder blades back on the bench and make sure your hips and chest are up nice and proud and hold that position for the length of time. But again, over time, you want to work your way down lower and lower and be able to that way you can stretch the quad, the rectus, the hip flexors, the tibialis more and more as you tolerate.